Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. I'm Ahmed al-Sheikh. Our lesson today, inshallah, is about some similar words in Arabic. They have the same pronunciation, but they are completely different in meanings. Let's get started. The first pair, we have two words, qarn and qarn. They are both the same in pronunciation, but they are completely different in meaning. Qarn is a horn. Qarn is a century. Qarn is singular. The plural is قرون. قرون. لبعض الحيوانات قرون. لبعض الحيوانات قرون. Some animals have horns. لبعض الحيوانات قرون. القرن 100 عام. القرن 100 عام. The century is 100 years. القرن 100 عام. The next pair of words, حرف and حرف. حرف means a letter. ألف حرف. باء حرف. جيم حرف. وهكذا. ألف is a letter. باء is a letter. Jim is a letter, etc. And we have another meaning for the word حرف, means an edge. حرف means an edge. Edge, حرف, or حاف, or طرف. حرف in Arabic. حرف. لهذه الصخرة حرفان. لهذه الصخرة حرفان. This stone has two edges. لهذه الصخرة حرفان. We have another pair of words, قال and قال. These two words are verbs in the past form. قال, the past form of يقول, say. Say, said. يقول قال. قال. And we have قال in the past form, means he slept at noon, means قال. قال. The last pair of words we have today is كف وكف. كف is a noun, a hand. هذه كفي. هذه كفي. This is my hand. And we have كف means stopped doing something. Ali stopped smoking. علي كف عن التدخين. كف عن. علي كف عن التدخين. كف عن. Stopped doing something. Thank you very much, dear friends. Till we meet again, I wish you good luck. مع السلامة.